这是我的儿子 Julius， 他每次穿上魔法袍，都会有人说他像哈利波特。
Hello, Harry Potter, how are you?
Hello.
旁边这个是他的爸爸，他戴上假发，真的超像私教。
Scary Daddy.
因为 Julius 自己很喜欢哈利波特，别人找他合照，他都超级配合。
爸爸，你可以教我些厉害的咒语吗？下次合照用。
要不这样吧，你快去多包。
Hi, I'm so happy to chat with you. How are you?
Good. Strongest spell in Harry Potter.
The Killing Curse, Avada Kedavra.
Avada Kedavra.
别着急啊，要不这样，我把它拆开来教你。Avada， 然后是 Kedavra.
Avada Kedavra.
Perfect. Your pronunciation is really good.
How do I get to Hogwarts?
You can take the Hogwarts Express. Platform 9 quarters is at King's Cross Station in London.
We're going to Hogwarts now.
Let's go.
Go.